I am Cesar David Gordillo Sanabria. I have studied system engineering since 2016. I have lived in Bogota since I was a child. I have been in this beautiful city for 46 years. I have enjoyed all the culture in this city. I am united with Lilette Garzon. I have been married for 10 years, but I have had a relationship since 2009. I also have a beautiful pet. He is my dog's son, and his name is Odie. I am graphic designer, and I work with all kinds of printing using different materials. I have been my own boss for 3 years doing activities such as printing, driving, fixing computers, among others. I love music and video games a lot. Too much, my wife says. My favorite music is rock, especially heavy metal, and the best band ever is Iron Maiden. I can't stand reggaeton. About video games, I have played games of adventure, sports, war, zombie, and so on. My favorite games are Call of Duty and Assassin's Creed. Well, that's all about me. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.